Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious and mouth-watering egg sauce. Keep watching. Here I have some eggs, which is our main ingredient for this recipe. I have already boiled some fresh tomatoes and pepper and blended it to puree. And here I have chopped onions. I'll be adding one or two seasoning cubes and also this curry masala powder. It's a mixture of different herbs. I'll add that to the sauce. And here I have a mix of red and green bell pepper, which I will use in garnishing the sauce. Salt to taste. I will also be adding some scent leaf and a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste. In a dry pan, I'll add about 1 cooking spoon of palm oil. In today's recipe, I'm using palm oil. Some other times I use vegetable oil or a mix of vegetable oil and palm oil. When the oil heats up, I add the onions. Stir it around and then add the minced garlic and the ginger. Add the fresh pepper and tomato puree. Stir and allow to fry for some minutes. It's been frying for about 5 to 7 minutes now and is well fried. I stirred it again. I have a meat stock in the freezer, so I decided to add it for more taste and to loosen it up from the thickness. Next, I'll add a teaspoon of the masala powder and stir. I will not be adding seasoning cube again because of the meat stock I used to avoid too much salt in the sauce. And I also have some roasted sausage. I will add that now. This is optional. I will stir it together and then test for salt. Everything is now okay and ready to receive the egg. Here I've cracked the eggs I'm using. Add a pinch of salt, stir and then pour into the stew or sauce. After pouring the egg, I'll stir it gently and then cover and allow it to cook or fry in a very low heat. After a few minutes, I open and check if it is well fried. Stir and check. It is not well fried, so I will cover it again and allow to cook for a few more minutes or to fry for a few more minutes. We'll be enjoying this egg sauce with boiled yam. So here I already have the yam boiling. Now let's check our egg sauce. Whoa, it's looking so good. It is well cooked now. And then we add our vegetables. I'm adding the red and green bell pepper I showed you earlier on, and some of the scent leaf. I will gently stir everything together for the last time, and our egg sauce is ready to be enjoyed with our boiled yam. You can equally enjoy this with your boiled rice or boiled plantain, even bread. This is looking so beautiful and inviting, and the taste is so great also. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share the video for me. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for your love. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.